So this is a continuation of smashing my 6x8 paper pad. Actually, I did this in late January, so it's really part of my January paper stash smash, but I didn't finish decorating it. So I'm going to consider it a January project because I can't do it for February because we have to do 12 by 12 paper pads, right? Anyhow, I purchased a cut file from Lori Whitlock to make this. I just liked it, and I've been looking at cut files to make quick projects. So let me show you what this is. It's called a wallet. It's a mini album wallet. It's just a cute little project, and this would make some fun happy mail. So obviously it's got this circle closure, and we open it that way and open it this way. And then we've got a couple of coordinating or matching flaps here. And then it opens like that. So there's more matching flaps. And why I put this on here, I don't know. Because you can't see it. Because it's with that same paper. Let me go like this. We'll take this one and put it here. And this one like there. And there you go. So I just cut a square in half and made a triangle pocket. There was a piece of paper that had a lot of flowers. I fussy cut those out. Because again, I didn't have any ephemera to match with this. I left this like this so you could add a little photo to it, and then it opens like this, and at the top of each is, I used a tab punch to make a little tuck spot and cut down some 3x4 cards so that is a tuck spot, and then just laid down a couple of, these were 3x4 cut aparts, I just cut down and added them into here, so that would make just a fun little thing to share with someone. Down here, there's a couple of just little snippets of paper and paper you can add a little sentiment to or add a photo to the back. You could add teeny little photos to this. That would be so much fun. And this matches with that. And there we go. Now this actually, these open like that, and there is more over here. So there's room here to put a little photo, room to put a photo. You could journal on here too. So that folds in like that. That goes like this, so that coordinates, it matches. I just did it sort of matchy-matchy. It was fun doing it with a cut file because I didn't have to think of sizing. I just said cut, and it did it. And then the back, as you already saw, I just fussy cut this from a cut apart and added that in there as a little tuck spot. Now you could, I suppose, not put that on there and close this and mail it, but I wouldn't. I would put it in an envelope to mail because you don't want things to come out in the mail. So that is what I wanted to show you today. Just a cute little project. I will put the link of the cut file in the description box so you can check that out and see if that's something that you would want to make. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.